Hello teachers. Now I'm going to teach you how to form a Google Forms app, how to use the Google form to prepare question paper. First, you have to download Forms app, that is click onto the Play Store. So just click Google Form. So you will be getting Forms app in it. I have already downloaded, so I am getting an option to open. So you can install it. Now when you open, you will be getting this two option, that is Google Forms and one more is Survey Heart. Now we are going to use only Google Form. So first click on to the Google Form. Here I have been created already, so it is showing this question papers. I have to tell you how to start a new question paper. So in the bottom you can see the plus button in the bottom. Just click into that. So here in the bottom you can see create blank form. So just click create blank form. Here in the top you have untitled form. Just erase it and then write down your subject and standard. For example, I am taking for 7th standard. So let us be the standard 7, and in description can write like quarterly exam. Now here in the bottom you have plus button. So first you just give out short answer and then you just write your name here. Why? Because if you don't give this option, you will not know who has been sent to you. So write your name here, and in the bottom right corner you can see required. You have to press this required symbol, and then you can click on to plus symbol and you can add section to it. Here you have so many options like short answer, long answer, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down, linear scale, multiple choice grid, time, date, and add section. So if you wanted to add section, you just click on add section. Now for example, I am going to choose the correct answer. So first Roman, choose the correct answer. After writing, you can just give next plus option, and now it is choose the correct option, right? So I'm going to choose multiple choice questions. So after clicking into this first question, for example, I'm going to give what is matter made up of. So here I need to add options, right? So in this you can see add option in the bottom. So I'm going to click add option. So here I'm going to give option. For example, matter is made up of atoms and molecules. So I'm going to write atoms and molecules. So one more option, if you need it, you can add option and then give, like I'm going to give particles here. So even if needed, you can give one more option also. I'm just exiting here, and after creating each question you can click on required, and then if needed you wanted to ask you short answer, means you just ask short answer. Suppose in case you have made a mistake, you don't want this question, you can even use this delete option. You can see the dustbin in this picture, right? You can click onto this. So by using this plus button you can make short answers, long answer, etc. like that. So for example, we have been created like this question paper. Okay, after finishing this, in the top right corner you can see the button submit. Before that, let us see the settings now. This is the settings which is nearer to the submit button. So when you click onto the settings, there is an option like collect email address, allow multiple responses, allow responders to edit responses after submission, show summary. So we don't want any email address from them, so just make it as untick. If you have made tick, it will become, they'll collect email address from them. And if you allow multiple responses, for example, if you're making a tick, it will make the responders to change their answers. So don't want any such things. And allow responders to edit responses after submission, which means they can edit the answers once after completing the test also. So we don't want to do that. So just check out where everything has been unticked, and then you just click on submit. So you'll get like this, like form created successfully. You will get a form link. So here you can see two options, that is copy link and view form. Just you click on copy link. Now the link has been copied. Now for example, if you are going to share it in WhatsApp, just click on to the WhatsApp. Here you can just long press into the message and paste it, and this is how the link has been set. Now for example, if you wanted to know how these responses are being done, just click on to this link again. So here it is, required option has been given, right? I'm going to write my answer here. Write your name, here is there, no? So I'm going to write my name, and I'm going to click next in the bottom. You can see the next button, and next I got choose the correct answer, right? What is matter made up of? So I have going to tick the answer, and I'm going to click on submit. That's it. So the response has been recorded. So once the students have been done this process, for example, if you search into this forms app in Google Forms, if you click, you can see one response like that. This is the first thing which have been created to show you. So the first thing I have created like chemistry standard 7, right? So you can see one response. So just click on to that. If you click on to this view responses, this is in summary in the bottom. Okay, if many of them have written, you can see this chart, bar chart, everything. Now you just click on to this individual in the bottom. So click on to this individual. Now you can know time and their name and the question. So you just click on to the first one. You can open, and if you can see it. For example, if you have only fewer questions here, you can even correct as it is. For example, the method which I used to correct is, here in the bottom you can see share option, like, so you can click on to this button. I am going to share as image. So in WhatsApp I have created a waste group, so I'm going to sending to that group. So while sending like this, I'll be getting the options in the top like crop, smiley, and text and edit. We can see all these options in the top, right? So click on to this edit option like pencil, which you have can see in this screen, and you can choose the color like red color. So atoms and molecules is right answer, so just make a tick mark, and you can give, for example, I'm going to give 5 out of 5. And if you wanted to give any kind of stars also, you can use the smiley and click on to the star, and you can use like this. So in case of smaller test, we can use this idea. In case if you have many questions like that, you can use one more option, that is copy. For example, individual, you got this right, so click on to this first one. Here you get the options like open, copy and share. So just click on to copy. So the message has been copied. So I'm going to paste it in WPS Office. You can also even download this WPS Office, which will be useful for correction. So here I'm going to use this plus symbol, new presentation. Here I'm going to paste it what have been selected. So paste. So I got this answer, right? So here in the bottom you can see three options like play, tools, keyboard. I'm going to use tools. Here if you slide, you can see file, view, font, paragraph, text box, insert, transitions, pen. So you got the option pen here. You just click on to this and you will be getting these options: turn ink off, use finger. You just click use finger and then click on to the tools and you can select the color which you needed, black, red, yellow, like that, so on is there. You can even select the thickness of the pen. So I'm selecting this one. So red color have been selected here. So for example, I'm going to correct like this. You will be getting all the text which have been copied there. You can paste it here. For example, I have given only one question, right? So I got only one question. So here you can make a mark, for example 10 out of 10. Even you can sign it here. That's it.